unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Swallowing water slowly can help stop hiccups by stimulating the vagus nerve, which interrupts the hiccup reflex. This steady action calms the diaphragm and reduces spasms. It might not work for everyone since hiccups have different causes, but trying slow sips of water is a safe and easy way to try calming persistent hiccups.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.